Hello from Slovenia again. I got this split cup in my mail today and I will try to do something that I'm inspired by our king on Instagram. I will put I believe his name, Instagram name on in my description box, and I will also add all the colors that I use. If you will like it, you can use them. So I started with black, and the next one is Rose Madder, Vallejo, and this is Amsterdam Brilliant Blue, and Arteza Indian Yellow. I don't know if I will able to come maybe just close to that our king on Instagram, because I don't know, and my cup is a little different, so maybe this can make a difference too. I don't know. So let's start. This was quite a challenge. My hand shake real bad because this was quite some time that you have to have your hand. It's quite challenging. It's not so easy as it looks. I will just pour black around because I want to flood my canvas in case that I will need it, because I don't know if I have enough paint for this 12 by 12 inch canvas, so we will see. I have to bring this a little. I will just tilt it a little bit and then I will probably spin it. Or maybe not, I don't know. Let's try to spin it a little bit. We'll just tilt it a little bit to this side. Back to the middle. Wasn't okay. Have to place it back to the middle. Are you okay? Yes, you are. I'm not spinning hard. I'm just working on this composition a little bit, but the details are just gorgeous. Just have to pour some of this off. this is so beautiful. I I think that I will fall in love with this split cup technique, because you can really create, I don't know, such a beauty out of it. See this black, I don't know what, with this rose madder. The details are stunning, and this blue here, I just love this. And this middle part with this rose madder, just gorgeous. Maybe a little too yellow here, but again, we can't have all. And for the first try, I think that it's okay. So, this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.